guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. There are some good deals and money makers this week on Colgate and any hallmark item, especially if your store have the 49 cents bag, and also on Revlon. Let's go check it out. First deal I'll be doing will be on the spend 20 get $10 bag on any Aquaphor or Eucerin facial care, and this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up the hydrating cleanser priced at $10.99 and also the hydrating foaming cleanser also priced at $11.99. And I'll use 2 of the $3 coupon we got from 115 savings set. Both of them will come up to $22.98. When you take off the $6, I'll end up paying $16.98 and get $10 back, making both of them $6.98 or $3.49 each. But I'll be adding this to an 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I got in my email. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the Palmolive dish soap. It's part of the deal of spend 10, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $4.99 and both of them will total me $9.98. I have a 50 cents coupon I got from coupons.com. I'll be using that. Without this purchase CRT, I'll end up paying $8.98. Get my $3 back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each. The last deal I'll be adding to this will be on the whole blend. It's on buy 2, get $3 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $8. So what I'll be doing is picking up 2 of those, and I'll be using the 3 off of 2 digital coupon everybody received today. And also check coupons.com. There is another 3 off of 2 that will apply to this and take off $6. By itself, you will pay $3 and get $3, making both items free. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt to see how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. All the coupons applied very well. I ended up using just one of the paper coupons for the Palmolive, and I used one from our app if you still have yours. I used $19 extra care box, paid 96 cents out of pocket, and I got my $3 back for the whole blend, $10 back for the Eucerin, another $3 back for the Palmolive. This whole transaction ended up being just $3.96 or 66 cents each. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the Revlon Cosmetics. It's on spend 15, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 6 per card. I'll pick up 3 of the Revlon lipstick priced at $10.29, and all 3 of them will come up to $30.87. That means I'm doing this deal twice. I'll be receiving $10 at the end. I'll use $3 coupon for each one of them. I got this coupon from coupons.com. They expired yesterday. That means they are no longer available. And I also have a 4 off of 20 Revlon CRT that I'll be using with this. We all received an instant CRT today. I got 5. When the CRTs and the coupons come off, I'll end up paying just $14.07 and I'll get back $10 because I did this twice. Check your Ibotta because I have an Ibotta rebate that will give back $3 on each lipstick. That means I'll be getting $9 back. After the rebate, all 3 of them will be free and a $4.93 money maker. I have a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT I received at the end of my receipt last week that I want to combine with this transaction. That way the $10 that is over the 20 can go into the 10 off of 70. When you have threshold CRTs like this, what you need to make sure you're reaching is the total on each CRT. This one is 20 and the next one is 70. That means I have to spend at least $90 to be able to use both, but 20 of them has to be from Revlon. If not, the Revlon will not apply. Deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the spend 30 get $10 back. I'll pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and I'll be using the $3 digital coupon for this. And the next items I'll be adding to it will be the ZaraB Daily Immune Support on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and it's priced at $10.99. I'll be picking up 2. One will be full price and the second one will be $5.49. I'll use a $3 paper coupon for one, and the other one I'll use a $3 digital coupon for it as well. You can get this coupon from coupons.com. It's still available. By itself, I'll be paying $20.45 and I'll get $10 back, making all items $10.45 or $3.48 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this will be on the Garnier Fructis. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. Then I'll use the 3 off of 2 everybody received today in our app. And also I will go on coupons.com and I'll print out another 3 off of 2. Both will double dip and take off $6. Then I'll end up paying just $3 and I'll get $3 back, making both items free if you're doing this by itself. Next day will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale for 2 for $7.98, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back, and this is a limit of 2, but I'll be doing this just once. I'll pick up 2 of the toothpaste, and I'll use 2 of the $2 coupon we have in our app. We have 2 of those. Both of them will take out $4. I'll end up paying just $3.98, and I'll get $6 back, making both items free and a $2.02 money maker, but I'll be adding it to the 10 off of 70. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Colgate mouthwash or toothbrush. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back, and they're on sale for $4.49. I'll be getting one of the mouthwash and also pick up one of the toothbrushes. If your store is not tagged, make sure you're checking, especially for the toothbrush. And you can do this deal anyhow you like. You can just get the mouthwash or the toothbrush, but I'll be picking up one of each. We all have a $2 coupon in our app. I have 2 of those. I'm sure everybody's supposed to have them unless you've used yours. That will bring it down to $4.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a 2 cents money maker. The next deal will be on the hallmark. The deal with this is buy 4 of any hallmark items, you get $3 back. This will be great if your store carries the 49-cent bag. My store have it, so I'll be picking up 4 of those. I don't have any CRT for this, so by itself I'll end up paying just $1.98, and I'll get $3 back, making all 4 of them free and a $1.04 money maker. This is everything I'm picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and the only thing I changed was one of the lipstick. I switched it with a lip gloss, and I picked up this caramel thing. And let's look at my coupons and my CRTs. Everything worked out fine. Everything came out as expected. I ended up using $24.19 extra care box, paid $14.71 out of pocket, and I got back my $6 for the toothpaste, $10 back for the Revlon because I did it twice, $3 for the hallmark, $10 for the spend 30 get 10, $3 for the Garnier Fructis, and also I got $5 for the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush. This whole transaction ended up being $7.81 money maker after I get my rebate from Ibotta. I hope you have a good weekend or a good week, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.